Today is August 16th, 2021. I just got back from Clubhouse 2.0. A lot of you guys don't know what that is, but today I'm going to explain what that is. And today I'm going to explain how you can make the most out of Clubhouse as a real estate investor. My name is Shiloh Lundahl, and you are watching the Improved channel focused on real estate investing. You've probably heard me talk about Clubhouse before in some of my earlier YouTube videos, but in case you haven't, I'm going to explain it again right now. So Clubhouse is a new social media app, and this app is a little bit different than other apps in that it is talk only. So there's no pictures other than your profile picture. And what you do is you can go into different Clubhouse rooms where they'll have a topic, and you can go and you can participate in the conversation, or you can listen to people that are talking about that topic. For instance, since I'm a real estate investor, I go into a lot of rooms that are focused on real estate investing, and I will listen to people on stage talk about different real estate strategies, such as the BRRRR method or lease options or subject to. So these rooms are fantastic for learning. And so if you haven't downloaded the Clubhouse app on your phone, I would encourage you to do so. Clubhouse also has other rooms that I'm not very interested in, but I am especially interested in learning about real estate, so I go into a lot of rooms about real estate investing. Over the last couple of months, Alvin Johnson, who is a developer based out of Texas, put together a big conference called Clubhouse Live 2.0. because it was the second Clubhouse event that he put together. This event was to give an opportunity for people who've been connecting on Clubhouse to connect in real life. And I just got back from that event, and let me tell you, it was awesome. There were a ton of people that I was able to connect with there that I've been connecting with on the app for several months. There were people there that were brand new to real estate investing, and there were people there that have been investing for years and have hundreds and hundreds of units. Some of the people that I was really looking forward to meeting in person included Massey and Odis James. I've been listening to them speak on Clubhouse for several months, and Massey specializes in short-term rentals using the rental arbitrage model. That model is where you rent a property and you talk with the owner and get permission from that owner to list that property as a short-term rental. Massey is a master in it, and he is just killing it at the short-term rental strategy. Odis James is another real estate investor who uses a lot of creative real estate strategies in order to acquire properties. My business partner Jason and I were able to meet with Odis and listen to him as he taught a small group of investors these creative real estate strategies. I was also able to connect with Jonathan Being, who is the creator of the Mortgage Syndicate room on Clubhouse. His room is jam-packed with high-level investors. And so if you're trying to understand how to invest in real estate, I would definitely encourage you to get onto Clubhouse and search for the Mortgage Syndicate and then follow his room. That way, whenever they start hosting a room, you'll be notified, and then you can tap into that room and start listening to the things that people are talking about. Another highlight of this conference was when Massey led a group of about 100 to 150 people in the game Cash Flow. Now, I don't know if you've ever played the game Cash Flow or not, but if you haven't, it's definitely worth doing. So I would encourage you to get onto Meetup and search for people that are playing that game and connect with them, because it's definitely worth doing and you will learn a lot about real estate investing by doing so. Anyway, Massey led the entire group in learning how to play the game Cash Flow. And it wasn't just about learning how to play the game, but it was about what you learned while you were playing the game. The Cash Flow game was created by Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. And in his book, he talks about how people learn best through playing games rather than through studying like at school and other things like that. So he created a game that would teach people financial principles of creating wealth. And it was awesome to have Jay lead us all through that exercise. Also at the Clubhouse event, I was able to meet with several other real estate investors that I've been able to connect with that have been doing big deals. Also at the event, I was able to meet with Sawand Belcher. He's a real estate investor based out of the Triad area of North Carolina, and he saved my butt when it came to a rehab that we were doing down there. See, what happened is we had a property that we were having a contractor go and fix up. But this contractor or subcontractor just was not doing a great job, and he was taking forever and ever. And when we flew out there to go and take a look at the work, every job that he was doing was only halfway done, and it was supposed to have been done months ago. And so what happened is I started to reach out to people on Instagram and on Clubhouse, and I found Sawan Belcher. And I reached out to him and I said, hey man, I got this problem. We have this property that we need to finish with the rehab, and I'm just wondering if you have any contacts that you might be able to share with me in order to help me finish this rehab. Now, Sawan had never met me before, but I introduced myself through Clubhouse, and he was able to look me up and kind of see what I was doing. He then reached back out to me and gave me some great referrals for people that could help us finish the rehab. And now that property is completely finished, and we have a lease option tenant living in there now. So I am super, super grateful for Sawan, who helped me get that property done. One last thing that I want to tell you about the event was how easy it was to network with other people. And why is that? Well, because right before the event, I reached out to a guy that I met through Clubhouse named Sean Lashley. Now, Sean is the creator of what are called 10K cards. What's a 10K card? A 10K card is a digital business card. And so while I was there at the event, people wanted my information. All I did is I pulled up my digital business card, I held it in front of their phone, and they scanned it, and all of a sudden it pulled up all of my contact information, all of the social media links that I have, links to my website, links to my YouTube channel, links to my coaching program, and I was able to share that with a ton of people. It was the easiest way that I've ever experienced to share my contact information with other people. Now they don't just have a business card from me that they could easily lose or put somewhere and then never find again. Now they have my digital business card saved in their phone. So whenever they need me for anything, it's really easy for them just to search me up and find all of my contact information. So Sean, thank you so much for helping me with getting that digital business card made. It's awesome and fantastic. And if anybody wants the link in order to get your own 10K digital business card, click in the show notes below, or you can go to shiloh10k.com. And you'll see on my digital business card, there's a link in order to get your own digital business card. So these were just some examples of the networking that went on at Clubhouse Live 2.0. And if you weren't there over this weekend, then you missed out. However, there's going to be other Clubhouse Live events that are going to come up. So I would encourage you to download the Clubhouse app and search for the Mortgage Syndicate Room and start following the moderators there, because there's a lot of big players on the app, such as Grant Cardone oftentimes gets on the app and talks about some of the deals that he's doing, and he connects with a lot of people there. Also, you have the great motivational speakers of Les Brown and Brian Tracy. There's just so many high-level players on the app that are giving great content daily that it would be sad for you to miss out just because you don't know about the app. So I hope this video was helpful in helping you get to know the app Clubhouse and understanding how you as a real estate investor can improve your real estate investing through that app. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please click subscribe to the channel and then click the notification bell. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope that you have a fantastic day investing in real estate and listening to the Clubhouse app. Have a great day.